We can start by reconnecting ourselves to nature because we are part of nature. We belong to this beautiful, very intelligent, innovative web in life. Every day in the morning, me and my sister do some yoga exercises. We should start with Surya Pranam. Then we do some simple and aerobic exercises. You all can also do some yoga exercises. Exercise is a great way of calming your thoughts and emotions. Do you know, friend, it also improves our physical health and our mental health. It is very simple and it is also very fun. You can try it too. A silent walk is a good way to connect to nature. Open all your senses and hear, see, smell, taste, and feel. You will be surprised at how much you will notice that you did not notice before. We will see color and shapes of watermelon every day. Feel the texture of leaves every day. You can smell the sweet fragrance of flowers. Touch them, feel them, and love them. After that, we harvest some fruits and vegetables that we need every day. Me and my sister spent some our time in the garden. There are so many plants in a garden. We love to play with them. You can also try making a garden in your balcony or in your rooftop. Now, time to take care of plants. Me and my sister watered the plants in the morning. In the harsh climate of Delhi, they need 2 to 3 times water in a day. In the early morning, you will hear different bird sounds. Friends, you tell me, can you hear that? A feeling, an emotion, a thought, get our creativity flowing. Stay connected to nature. Bye bye friends. Stay safe at home.